Hey guys, it's Nick here, and today I'll be reviewing the Aofu GTSM 7x7 by Moyu. This cube was released in January 2019 and comes in at a price of 75 Australian for the magnetic version or 55 for the non-magnetic version from speedcube.com.au, which makes it the cheapest of the three big magnetic 7x7s by more than $5. The size of the cube is 68mm, making it the biggest of the three 7x7s. With it being bigger than the Haze and the Spark, it is still much smaller than the Huanglong. This compact but large size makes the layers easier to turn in my opinion. The cube comes in at a weight of 216 grams for the stock version and 234 for the magnetic. The Aofu GTS and GTSM are the third Aofus that Moyu have released after the Aofu and the Cubic Aofu GT. Out of the box, the cube is very fast, sandy and dry, but with a little bit of silicone lube and DNM, the cube felt really nice, and with braking it goes back to being very fast but isn't as sandy compared to out of the box. The magnets on the cube are of a medium strength and get stronger on the second and third layers to give the cube a lot of stability from the very quick turning. In my 100 odd solves, I've had only 2 to 3 pops, though that was when I was trying to find good tensions for the puzzle. The tensions I use on the puzzle are pretty moderate, and corner cutting is about 1 piece on all 3 layers and half a piece on the first 2 and almost line to line on the third for reverse. The cube also comes in stickerless and black plastic only. In comparison to the Huanglong, which was my last 7x7 main, this cube is on the next level. Even just the fact that the cube has magnets makes it a good contender to beat almost anyone's 7x7 main. The Aofu's corner cutting and speed makes it far superior to the Huanglong. Only 2 days after I got this cube, I used it to get a 4:19 official mean at Qualification Sydney 2019, and I also got a 3:47 single in practice the same day. Here's a quick solve on the cube.
I'm ready.